Hello friends, welcome back once again to our channel Gurukul. Sum number 11. The area of a plot is given 340 meters square. Its length is given 70 meter. We have to find, its breadth is given 17 meter. We have to find its length and perimeter. So, the formula of area is equal to length into breadth. Value of area is given 340 is equal to 17 into length. We should change its position. L into 17 is equal to 340. Therefore, L is equal to 340 by 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 340 and 0. So, L is 20 meter. So, now since we have got the value of length and we have the value of breadth, we can easily find its perimeter. So, perimeter is 2 length plus breadth, that is 2, 20 plus 17, that is 2 into 37, which comes down to 74 meter. So, this is the answer. Sum number 12. Again, the area has been given, that is 144 meters square. Its length has been mentioned, that is 16 meter. We have to find its breadth and then the cost of fencing it. So, to that we will come later. First, we need to find its breadth. So, let us arrange. Length into breadth give us area. The value of L is given 16. Breadth we don't know. Value of area is given. Now we leave behind breadth here and 144 by cross multiplication 16 will come down. So now let us reduce this to its lowest term by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 4 1s are 4 9s are 36. So the breadth is 9 meter. Now we will go to the next part, and that is the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 6 per meter. So fencing means boundary, and boundary means we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 16 plus 9. So 2 into 16 plus 9 is 25. So 2 into 25 is 50 meter. So now we have to find the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 6 per meter. So 1 meter fencing cost rupees 6. Therefore, 50 meter fencing cost 50 into 6. That's come down to rupees 300. So this is the answer. Sum number 13. Now the perimeter of a square is equal to that of a rectangle of length 17 meter and breadth 11 meter, and we need to find the area of a square. Area of a square we have to find, and the perimeter are the same. So first let me find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth, 2 11 plus 17, 2 into 28 is equal to 56 meter. So now perimeter of square is also 56 meter. So we can easily find its sides. That is 56 divided by 4. That comes down to 14 meter. Now we can easily, since we know the side of the square, we can easily find its area. So area of square is side into side, that is 14 into 14 is 196 meter square. So this is the answer. Now sum number 14. A rectangle has the same area as that of a square. Similar sum, a rectangle, the area is equal to that of a square whose side is 10 meter. So let us read the question carefully. It says that the rectangle has the same area as that of a square of side 10 meter. If the breadth of a rectangle is 8 meter, we need to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Alright, so first we can easily find the area of a square. Area of square is equal to side into side is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100 meters square. And they have already said that area of square is equal to area of rectangle. So now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area we already know is 100 is equal to length we don't know, but we know the value of breadth, that is 8. So length will be 100 by 8. After reducing, we get it 12.5 meter. So now we get the value of length and we have the value of breadth. We can easily find its perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus breadth. 2 length is 12.5 plus 8. 2 into 20.5 is equal to 41 meter. This is the answer. Sum number 15. The figure has been given in the shape of L. Let us draw that. This width is 2. The longest part is 12. The inner short part is 10. The inner short length is 8. Width is 2. And the outer longest length is 10. Now we have to find the area of this region. Now how to do so? We are going to make a dotted line dividing this figure into two parts. Figure 1 and figure 2. So now if this entire length is 10, that means this entire length is also 10. And the width we know is 2. So we can easily find the area of this figure 1. So area of figure 1 is equal to length into breadth, which is 10 into 2, that comes down to 20 centimeter square. All the units are in centimeter. Now similarly we'll take out the area of figure 2. So now as we can see, I have divided this figure here by a dotted line. That means the inner length is 10. So the outer length is also here till here 10 and the width is 2. So area of figure 2 is equal to length into breadth is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the entire region is equal to 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 centimeter square. Now the second part of the same sums. Let me draw the figure. And it says that it measures equally 7 all over. 7 centimeter all over. So now let me divide this figure. I am drawing a dotted line here, here, here and here. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4 and figure 5. Now let me remind you one thing, that as you can clearly see that all the sides are measuring 7. That means it is a square. So let me first take out the area of figure 1, that is side into side, which is 7 into 7, that is coming down to 49 centimeter square, and we have 5 such square with the same measurement. So we can find the area of the entire figure by multiplying 49 into 5. That comes down to 245 centimeter square. This is the area of the entire figure. And now we come to the last part of this sum. They have drawn the figure T. This is 5, this is 1, this inner length is 2, this shorter length is 4. Now let me divide this figure here. So this entire length is 5, so this should also be 5. They have mentioned 2 and 2, that makes 4. That means this dotted portion is 1. Similarly, opposite to this is also 1. So now we are going to divide this area into 1 and 2. So first, area of figure 1 is equal to 5 into 1 is equal to 5 centimeter square. Area of figure 2 is equal to 4 into 1, that is 4 centimeter square. Therefore, total area is equal to 5 plus 4, that's come down to 9 centimeter square. This is the answer. Thank you friends for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.